Welcome to Sheet Metal Tech Tips. Today we'll be going over welded seams differences. We will be going over the difference between steel seams and aluminum seams. As you'll see in the picture to the left, steel and stainless seams should be closed, and over here, the picture on the right, that aluminum seams should be open. The reason steel and stainless seams should be closed is so we can fuse the two meeting ends together to close the seam. Okay, so now we are starting out with a completely sealed box. So the next thing we need to do is locate our sheet metal command bar and then find the rip command. Now we have to select all the seams we would like to rip. Notice how it starts with 2 arrows and we need to make it 1. This is to keep the seams closed. Now we just have to give this a number. We give it 1 thousandths. So the only gap now remaining is that 1 thousandths gap we just selected. Aluminum seams need to be open to allow us to fill using filler rod. Again, we are starting with a fully closed box. So now we have to rip the seams. So locate your sheet metal feature and the rip feature and select each seam. This time you want the arrows to be pointing in both directions. This will allow the seam to be open when complete. After entering in our rip dimension, you can see that the seam is now open. Now remember, when welding is required on sheet metal parts, rip your models for faster quote times, choose the right seam option, either open or closed, and select appropriate weld based on material you need. This concludes our video on welding seams. For more information on tech tips, contact our design team.